Next thing we're going to talk about is the keyboard. Even more accurate autocorrect. Boy, isn't autocorrect a pain in the butt sometimes, so we know that we love that to be a little bit more accurate. And then predictions of inline text as you're typing. Now, in this example, you notice down here, we've got like, do you really want what you typed in quotes so that if you need to misspell something or somebody spells their name funny, you can. Here's the suggestion of what they think you're about to type as a word goes. This is called suggestive text. But what we have up here is a little bit different, right? Right here, it's trying to actually finish the entire rest of the sentence. This happens in Google Docs all the time, but it's kind of new to the Messages app or across pages or email or whatever. But now if you're paying attention as you're typing, if it's obvious what the rest of the sentence is and it shows up like that, all you have to do is tap the space bar and it'll just fill it in for you. So every time you type a word, if you see that faded out, grayed out text, hit the space bar and quit typing, right? And so there's two different ways that we can now quit typing so much. One, the suggestive text in the bar underneath, and then also this predictive inline text where we can just hit the space bar to go.